We sit here in late March talking about temperatures in the triple digits. It's probably a good time to ask, is your air conditioner ready?
12 News journalist Rachel Cole joining us loud now with some things you need to know so what, you're not stuck mid-June with no AC. Hey, Rachel.
Exactly. Making that call for an emergency repair when the companies all over town are already backed up as it is. So get it done ahead of time, especially ahead of a potential triple digit temperature tomorrow as early as Tuesday. We were out here earlier today about 4 o'clock, 95 degrees, only 93 now, but boy, in the shade does it make all the difference. So double check your AC units. We have some tips for you. Take a look.
Make sure that it's running properly, and most importantly, that you're not experiencing any breakdowns.
Number one, no breakdowns. Billy Kleiser with Simplify Heating and Cooling, keeping us posted on potential problems, pointing to the thermostat.
When they go to work, they want to turn that thermostat way up, thinking that it'll save them energy. When in fact, after they come home and set it to a desired temperature, that system has to run a lot longer, it has to run a lot harder. You end up using more energy than if you would have kept it at a consistent temperature all day long and let it just do its job.
Cranking it up can cause compressor issues, but don't forget to look up when it comes to clean air filters.
It's based off how much that system is running. So if you're already seeing dust buildup on that, you do want to get it switched out. I usually just do a rule of thumb. Whenever my energy bill comes, it reminds me to switch it out every 30 days.
Remember the importance of the primary drain line, releasing moisture from the attic.
If you ever see even one drip come from the top condensate line, that is an emergency situation. You do need to have a professional come out. You can prevent the primary drain line from ever getting clogged up by scheduling a flush with us.
Lastly, preventative maintenance on the main unit.
So typically during our inspection, we're going to go ahead and clean your condenser coil for you. All of the motors, the fan motor, the compressor, we'll check the amp draws. There's also some capacitors that we check to make sure they're within manufacturer specs for you. This also allows us to check the refrigerant level, make sure there's no leaks, make sure that you're not low on refrigerant, and the system's operating properly for you.
So obviously good tips there from Simplify Heating and Cooling, but we have a big group of people from all over the country here in Phoenix visiting on a convention. I've got Michael here. So quickly, Michael, how are you guys feeling about the mid-90s temps?
We're surviving.
You're surviving.
Yeah.
All right. He's from Idaho. It's gorgeous there. And where are you guys headed tonight?
Where are we headed? Bunch of dinners.
They're going to a street party. We're going to send it back to you in the studio, but they're going to have dinner and head to a street party and enjoy the temperatures. Back to you guys.
All right. Rachel always, no matter where she is,
Finds the party?
draws a crowd.
Yeah, I can see that happening for sure. All right.